Hi, hello everyone. I am Sakti, a cybersecurity analyst at BCBS Technologies. I am fascinating about protecting systems and data from cyber threats, and I enjoyed working on identifying vulnerabilities and improving security measures. I am a focused and curious person who likes solving problems and continuously growing in my life field. This is my LinkedIn ID, and my today we are going to see about the Burp Suite for WordPress testing. The agenda is about first we are going to see about the overview of an Burp Suite and setup of the labs and WordPress attack surfaces and a demo workflow and reporting and compliance. First of all, we are going to see about the Burp Suite overview. Burp Suite is a learning web application pen testing tool uh, which which have two editions like community like a basic edition and a professional for advanced and automation edition. The core tools of our websites are the proxy for traffic interruption and intruder for automatic attacks and repeater for manual request manipulation for changing an request of the get post and delete and etc. The scanner for vulnerability detection and the sequence and comparer extender advanced analysis. The next the workflow of WordPress. First of all, we're going to set up the labs for testing and testing the routines and demo for examples. Setups like configuring proxy for capturing WordPress traffic. Testing routines are use scanners for automated checks, use interpreter for brute force attack, and use repeater for plugins and payloads testing. The workflow the like WordPress attack surface or the common vulnerabilities are weak login forms like brute force attack and plugins and theme flows like XSS cross-site scripting, file upload misconfiguration, REST API exposure, CSRF and admin actions. The business inputs are data breaches and defacement and loss of trust and reputations. Now we are going to the hands-on session. First, we need to set up the lab. Let us first install the Kali Linux. I have already installed, so I directly go into it. It's like a few seconds to log in. Use your credentials to log in. Open terminal. Go to first. First of all, we need to update for better performance. It take a few seconds. Let us wait for a few seconds. In this, we are going to set up the lab for the proxy. We also we need to upgrade. We need to upgrade our system for our better performance. First of all, we need to set up the lab of like we are going to set up our lab in a Burp Suite. In Burp, we are going to set up the proxies options and their IPs. SMS, we are going to set up the same IP and the port in the Firefox browser also. So let us wait for our upgrade. Let me start in a few seconds. For testing the WordPress, we need to have our own ID, or we have the demo ID for WordPress testing. I have my own ID, the try.space, so I can use it. You can also use your WordPress sites. It's finished. It's going to finish. The process is going on. It may take 1 to 2 minutes. For testing the WordPress, we should have the website like a WordPress site, or we need to develop a demo site with plugins and themes which are vulnerable, or normal plugins and themes. It's going to finish. Let us start our lab process. Let us start in Burp Suite. I have already updated and installed the Burp Suite. I have only the community edition, so let us start the Burp Suite. Open the proxy and options to check the IP and ports, and then use the Firefox. browser to open to. Just go to the settings and type the network settings, and then add then the same IP which was displayed in the proxy, 127.0.0.1. My port number is 8080. 127.0.0.1. My port number is 8080. Click on OK. Then go to the we for combining the browser and terminal, we need to add the CA certificate. http :// just enter. Here we can download the CA certificate. Now again go to the settings and just search certificate. In this view certificate, like there are more options like your certificates and authorities. In this authorities, we need to import. We need to import our certificate. Import at open. I have already installed certificate authorities, so this is the process. I click on OK. Then let us go to the let us combine the browser and Burp Suite. Here we can see the interceptor off. Just click and off for activation of interceptor. Now just cancel this, open a new tab, and just click on the your WordPress site. Just add wp login.php. Now just open the interceptor and now let us search. In this we get the login page of interceptor. Just off, we get interceptor logins. Now we can see the bit like just use the dummy like admin for dummy credentials. No need to save. Now on the interceptor we get the requests like login pages, request, use it again, resend it, admin. No need to save. we also see the credentials and a request we get captured. In this we can send it to repeater for our modifications of the get post. Like post, we can change anything. After the edition we can send it to response. Here we get our response ID, the status of our code, the dynamic. We can change anything. Delete, we can delete. We can get this, we can get our normal IDs and our request. Let us try our weak credentials like admin. User ID. User equal to admin. And the password is also admin. Let us check. There is no change in it. Let us check again. There is no found of the user ID and password. Let us go to the next stage. Let us check our website for plugins and themes. WP content / plugin. Plugins. We got our request. Let us see in the proxy. HTTP request. Just interceptor on and off. This site is running in HTTP request. So let us run in HTTP. let us check in. We got our request. Just remove the slash last. Just send it to the repeater. Just normally send it to the repeater. We got the request of 301 which there is not available of plugins. There are only normal colors like blue color. There is no extra. Let us check the themes in it. There is no themes also. Wait a second. We just missed it. I think in plugins we got the 200 which was inactive. Send it to the repeater and send it to the response which was in a active scan. We can post anything like command equal to. Let us check the cross-site scripting. Let us use the let us check we got the 200 requests, so it also available in this website. We can use cross-site scripting in this. Wait a second, we can check we check in the directly in the website. Let us check the my site. For a second, we can plugins. We got request. for a few seconds. I stop it. There is nothing suspicious. So let us jump into the next one. In this, we are going to now add the plugins. We are going to add the payloads. Mostly payloads are the content form, contact form 7. Let us check this. We got a request. Oh, there is no business. 404 request is supplied. Wait a second for let us check. We got 404 request, so the page is not available in this. Let us try the other payload. Let us try other payload. The other payload is eliminator. Eliminator. This request also 404. We got it. Let us send to the repeater response. We got the cybersecurity in AI, which shows the 404 request. This is auto generated, which was displayed in automation. Which shows the 404 request. Add a menu, like we got the front page, add a menu, 404 of the These are the pages which shows the request. Let us try the other payload also. The payload WooCommerce, WooCommerce commerce. This also shows the same 404 request. Let us check the last payload. Used receive. Which shows the same 404 request. We receive our payload. Wait a second for everything is okay. Okay, we can't receive the request. Let us check. Let us off the interceptor off. Now we can try. This is my site, which is created for the WordPress. Let us try the cross-site scripting. Let me check the cross-site scripting which I have already given. Wait a second. Something wrong. I can't get the request. So let me try again. Let me try again. Just open a new web page. Again type the Syra.net. We got the sites. Let us try again. Just log in again. Let us restart our process again. Use your credentials to log in. Just open the terminal. Just go to the Burp Suite. Just open the community edition, which was available in every Kali Linux process. Let's go to the Firefox proxy. Let me try my last process. We got the request which was that admin. There is no need to save. There is 404 request which was not in current state. Let us try our access payload which was used in the normal site. Wait for a second to get access. I got the same network. Let me intercept off and on. Let me get the tricera dot space login. Just add the target http as tricera dot space. This is my ID, so you just use yours. Again, we are in wrong. We got the request. Sorry, we need to use the HTTP request for our site because our site is on the HTTP. So let me try the request which were user to the cross-site scripting. Tricera dot space, which can be used for the testing purpose. The login page which was used to get we got it. Now send it to the repeater. In this we need to change our get request into post request. And just add the command as script dot alert, and just use the XSS which was used to the cross-site scripting. Let me send the request. Let us wait for a response to get we got it. We got the 200 which was applicable for the cross-site scripting. We can use the cross-site scripting. We had the 200 request which was used as an live page. We can see our themes and plugins which are available in this. Let us move on to the next. Let us check in the browser for the request which was available. Just use your own ID or create a WordPress site for this. Let us check in this web page. Let me stop our interest. Now we got it. We got it, the request. Let us send it to the response. What we get means we can apply our cross-site scripting. Cross-site scripting is available. We can check in this and wait a minute. Let me check our normal site which was available. Let's send it to the repeater. Just send it to the response. SMS. We got the same response and a request. We can use the cross-site scripting as directly to the website, or we can add the cross-site scripting in the script also. We come on to the endpoint of our session. CSRF and privilege escalations. This is only for the pro versions only. CSRF means the capture admin actions like plugin installations and the downloads. Wait a second. Just to see the histories here, we can see the engagement tool, the pro versions only, so we can't generate the CSR of POC like a proof of concept. Like this, we can use our own WordPress site to check whether it is enable, or we can insert the cross-site scriptings. Let us recheck. Cross-site alert of /1, then script, close the script, just off the interceptor. Now let us try our cross-site scripting. Wait a second. Now let us try. Not secure because the content not secure. Communication site is not private. It's so let us try. Let us try in our own sites. Now these are the requests we have captured. We can use the cross-site scriptings. We can see it in the repeater. The script enabled, which we can see it accesses. The decode form is the 27 accesses. We can see it in the mid of the site. We can alternately change the size and the position of the script. The page is still alive because the page accepts the access of the cross-site scripting. The reporting means the reporting structure execute summary the business risks and implication impacts, like the technical findings, the remediation steps, like patching, hardening, the plugins updates. These are the reports, or the complaints alignments, or the OWASP top 10 mapping, GDRP implementation for user data leak. The best practice we must use mean the always test in authorized environment, like client approval scope, like the black box or white box or a gray box, which the client approval scope. And we should take a backup WordPress site before testing for our safety purpose. Use Burp Suite extension like WordPress specific plugins for easy process of us, and documenting findings for screenshot and request response logs for our POCs. This is our website, learn.bcbus.io. This is our WhatsApp channel. You may contact us through this. Thank you.